Go. 1, 2, 3. Yes! We have a coffee! Woo! Pumped. Absolutely pumped. I can't believe I've just failed that. I cannot believe I just failed it. Yep.
It's so hard to eat and talk. Come on, Bugs, say my line, please.
Tongue is ready to go. There we go, we got a fanny in the desert. Oh. Did I just pee that one in the face? It was in the chat before I done. Oh, there it is! Oh my god, we found Kevin! We found him! I couldn't be loud. I really wanted to be loud, but I can't be loud. My daughter's asleep. But we found Kevin at 240 encounters. Up to, but I don't know whether I'm too late. Oh, just wipe lemon juice in my eye. What are you doing? Oh. Going on here. What's happening is that sound alert is also Angel Hoof's ringtone. And for 25p or 25 bits, you can make Lily keep checking her phone. Right, I'm gonna go and swipe my card immediately. I've got a feeling that I might get stat killed, but who cares? I don't know what. Oh my god! Right, I did card like I normally do. I spank myself. Ah, you got me! I spank myself. Because Zach was all undead. And, oh my word. 6. Stop using rollout. Or it's gonna roll out the shiny.
Oh,
Oink, oink.
Oh no.
Are you gonna kill the shiny?
Is he gonna kill it?
I killed it.
Wait,
I just rolled out it. Yeah, it just rolled out. I can't dance right now, Sonia, and I need to hear what's going on. So if I die, I die. Come and get me, you alien bastard. Oh, fuck. No, that's an apple. No way, shiny applin! Let's go! Not even the one I want! No way! Shiny applin! I said before I'd be happy with that. It's a phase, but it's not. You variant, no! You didn't just give 60 friggin' subs. KO. Right. Dirk has leveled up now, which we're allowed to do. And I forgot to change it, so I won't switch during the fight. Apart from like now if I wanted to right now. Onyx is gonna go down. Maybe. Yes. So I won't switch. Right, this is his ace. Okay. It might KO me if I stay in. I'm gonna do it. It used Leah. Oh no, no. Oh my god, it used Leah again. We've done it. We've beaten the first gym with only a flying type. I'm gonna let you take my cherrim. Oh god, that sounds so bad. No fucking need! No fucking need! There it is! Holy shit! Not to mention the Willy cloning exploit they fixed. Willy cloning? Holy shit! Holy shit! Oh! There it is! Oh my god! No way! No way! Oh. Love to see you stuff a sausage in your mouth on that big screen. Well. Oh my god, there it Yes! We found him! Yes!